Hi Year 5, we're going back to thinking about how many jelly beans. However, shops are closed and I can't get around, so I've got jelly tots instead of jelly beans. If you've got anything at home, you could be making some arrays with jelly tots or jelly beans, or maybe little pieces of Lego or bits of pasta. Anything you've got that's small that you've got lots of things of. We're just going to recap. I know you already know these things, but we're just going to recap. I've got 7 jelly tots here. So I've counted them out. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then I've got another 7 and another 7. So I know that you all know that what I've got there is 3 times 7 equals. And if you don't know what that is, it's addition. It's repeated addition. So you just count this 7, and this 7. If you know your times tables, you know that this is 7, 14 and 21. So 3 times 7 equals 21. I can check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So you could show this on a number line. So I've got 7 and I've got 3 lots of 7, so I'm going to make 3 jumps of 7 each. So I've added 7, added 7, added 7. I've got 3 lots of 7, which gives me 21. If you remember that multiplication is just the repeated addition, and it's not more complicated than that, then you're going to be okay. So if I add another 7 to my jelly tots, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now I've got 4 times 7. If I know my times table, I'm going to know that that's 7 more than 21. So that's 28. I can check it because I can count them. And again, I can make another 7 jumps. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to land on 28 plus 7. So now I've got 4 times 7 equals 28. Hopefully then you'll also know that you could do the inverse. So you could do 28 divided by 4. So then you've got 4 here, 4 here, 4 here. How many lots of 4 have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 28 divided by 4 equals 7. If you remember those things, then multiplication will be okay for you. So in school, we normally use Cuisenaire to help us here. So you can see I've got 7 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When I put these together, this Cuisenaire is 7. So again, I've got 4 lots of 7, which we know is 28. 7, 14, 21, 28. Each one of these is 7. Now with multiplication, you don't have to learn all up to 12 because there are some things you already know. So if I put another one there and I've got 5 lots of 7, you might think, well, that's a new fact I need to know. But actually, you do know your 5 times tables. So if you already know your 5 times tables, you know that 5 times 7 is 35 and 7 times 5 is the same. Those numbers can be swapped around when we're multiplying and be in any order. So we can know now that 5 times 7 equals 35. 5 times 7 is 35 because hopefully we already know our 5 times table. So now we've got 6 times 7, 7 times 7, 8 times 7, 9 times 7, and 10 times 7. And again, 10 times 7 shouldn't be a new fact for you to learn because you already know your 10 times tables. And you'll know that 7 times 10 is 70, so 10 times 7 will equal 70, and then you should know that you could write that as an inverse operation. So you could have 70 divided by 10 equals 7, and also 70 divided by 7 equals 10. Each one of these represents 7 from the units we've got here. We've added 7 each time. I've now got 10 times 7, so I've got the equivalent of 70. So at home, you should in your pack have had a maths book, so you've got some squared paper. So I'm just trying to think, if you haven't got Cuisenaire, which obviously you haven't got at home, and maybe you haven't got Jelly Tots, that you could actually draw out the Cuisenaire. You can see here I've drawn the block, I've divided, I've got 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Same here again, I've got 2 times 7, which equals 14. Then I could write anything else I know about those facts. I know if 2 times 7 is 14, then I do know that 7 times 2 equals 14. And then I know the inverse operation, so I know that 14 divided by 2 equals 7. And therefore I know that 14 divided by 7 equals 2. So the thing that I want you to do now for your maths is think about the 7 times table, either drawing them out, using some Jelly Tots, using some resources, maybe some little Lego pieces with pieces that are 7 bumps long, and tell me all the facts you know about the 7 times table. If you're thinking, I really don't know the 7 times table, show me a times table that you do know. If you want a bit of a challenge, you could go into mega facts. Show me some mega facts of the 7 times table with the division facts as well.